If parents are immature and not doing the right thing, how to correct them without sounding disrespectful?
First and foremost, focus on the issue, don't attack the person. There is an objective way of explaining that in this decision, if this is done, this would be more beneficial. Rather than saying, Arey, you don't understand me only, I'm telling you do this, I'm telling you what you're going to do, this is going to be wrong and is going to all. If it is a personal attack, then the ego of the parent also is going to come up. You are also operating out of ego, parent also is operating out of ego then. It has to focus on the issue. Even before that, try and understand why is the parent even doing something, which in my opinion may be wrong. There may be some reason, some compulsion. Focus on that issue, say politely. And very important is to make them aware of the choices. What they want the parents to do, no? They have to do that with them. Simple. If the parents make the youngsters aware of the consequences, if you do this, this is what will happen. Same thing the parents can be told by the youngster. And then rest of it is what? Leave it to them. They are wise, they are enough elder, they will choose. Sometimes it is the difference in the thinking. One has to understand that also. What I may perceive as wrong may be not perceived as wrong by the opposite person. A parent may have a certain traditional value for a certain thing. So let us say a simple example. If the parent says that the child should not, child should be home by 10 o'clock. Now the child says, no, 11 o'clock tak to every other parent gives freedom. You are not giving me freedom till 11 o'clock. Now the issue is not about 10 or 11. The issue is the parent is concerned about security of the child. The child has to understand that part. And if you can assure the parent of the security and convince, the parent will let you go also. So the deeper aspect of why the parent is doing has to be understood, because sometimes it may be my notion that parents are immature. In no sense parents are going to be immature in that. Maybe in that issue they may lack certain knowledge or certain clarity, but how will they be immature? They have much more seen life than anybody else of your age. So that has to go, that they are immature. But yes, sometimes they may have certain, their way of thinking. One has to understand, one has to change, one has to even possibly talk it out. But never be personally attacking. Keep the focus on the main issue and do it very humbly. All said and done, they are parents. Humility and respect should not be lost in that, which is where the compromise happens. Then the focus goes away from the issue, focus goes on, my child doesn't even respect me. In the way in which it is spoken, if it is disrespectful or arrogant or rude, the focus has gone away from the issue. Now the focus is, my child does not respect me. Now there's another issue only altogether now.